Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can reactivate your PrizePicks account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So how you can reactivate is, first of all, you have to make sure the issues that make the problem occur can be your location as well. If the location is somewhere where PrizePicks is not allowed or is not eligible yet, then your account won't be working, cannot be reactivated. Next thing is, once you have checked your location, corrected it. If it still doesn't work, one thing, if that also doesn't work, what you have to do is you have to know that your account has been deactivated by PrizePicks itself for violating the PrizePicks Code of Conduct. If that's not the case, then you can simply go through ahead and reset your password by going through this particular link. You can go through the help page of PrizePicks and you can copy this particular link and can have it access. Once you have access, this is where you're gonna land. You can simply access it through your app as well. Open up your app, go to sign in section. Without adding email or password, tap on forgot password. If in case that's the case, you can reset your password by adding in your email, receiving a code. And that's how also you can reset your account, and that is the way you can reset or reactivate your account likewise. That's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.